And so often, a lot of us, we don't feel like we can use our voice. But sounding or chanting is a really powerful way to reset your nervous system, to really change your state of being. Also, a great step towards empowerment because you're literally using your voice. Chanting is always done on the exhale. So we'll do an inhale and then we'll exhale. Om. Notice if you can feel the sound, sort of play with lifting the roof of your mouth, and the sound will help you do that. Oh, you should feel that. Roof of your mouth. Inhale, and let's go again. Exhale. Oh. Inhale. Sound, although it's subtle, it's meaning it really works on the subtle body. It's hugely powerful.